Hey guys, Organized Alaina, and today's video is another plan with me. We are going to be planning the 7th through the 13th, which is the second week of May. I'm gonna go back and kind of tell you what I have been doing since last week. I had originally filmed the monthly May plan with me and this week, and unfortunately on Friday I lost the footage. So let me just tell you what I am doing currently. I have decided to try and consolidate all three of my planners again, only because I realized I was having to look in too many places for too much information, and sometimes I would need one planner, like I would need my budget planner to kind of know what I needed to pay, but it was at home. Even though I had some of the inserts in the back of this planner, it still wasn't all the way working because I wanted to just flip to one page and see everything. So the way I did it this month is I'm going to try and plan everything on like all of my social media, all of my budget, everything on one page, like so I can flip to one spot in my planner and see it all. So how does that look? This is pretty much my thought process. So I haven't actually added all of my bills because it's still in my old planner, but I am going to consolidate it and put everything here, where I add all of my bills on the particular day. I add the videos that I'm filming on that particular day, because you know Tuesdays and Thursdays I do stuff on Instagram, and then Sundays and Fridays I do YouTube. And then over here I have all of my statistics, for Instagram from the last month, and this is all three businesses from YouTube, income, putting everything here. Then on the weekly spread, I'm still planning all of my weekly items, and the things that I have added is I still do my orders and my supplies, but if you flip the sheet, you'll see I have my YouTube videos here, and then I'm gonna do meal planning at the bottom of this sheet. So I'm hoping that if I need to look at anything, it is all kind of right here. Then with my bills, I am using the expense tracker half sheet. I really loved it this past week. We'll see how I like it for the rest of the month. But basically, I keep track of all my expenses, and I keep track of my bills on the back, and I'll keep my, what I'm saving in that current week in the bottom here. So this past week, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I had my baby's birthday, and I'll probably go over this spreadsheet more in detail on my budget recap of last week and my budget plan with me. But we did have a birthday, and I did have a budget of $500, but we went over by $111. But I'll talk more about that in my budget plan with me and how we're going to compensate for that in the next upcoming weeks. So now we are going to plan the week of the 7th through the 13th, and I'm going to do the exact same setup as I did here. I have this half sheet, and I also have my expense tracker here. So I'm going to just pull these out, and I'm going to show you what I'm using this week. I am not using Happy Planner stickers this week. I am using Cinderella paper. It's like this little Netflix and chill sticker packet. Really, really like it. It's really cute. So I'm going to be using these. Of course, this is when I have my vertical Erin Condren. However, I have no problem with using stickers from another planner in my Happy Planner. Doesn't bother me at all. And the other thing I'm going to be using is my Colorful Boxes sticker book. This is probably my favorite, besides for Squaggles. would say it's out of Squaggles and Colorful Boxes. I love these two sticker books. I probably pulled them out the most. So I'm going to be using this to add in some more boxes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the kit, everything that I'm going to use for the kit. So now I'm going to just pull out some of the icons for some of the things that's going on throughout the week. So first thing is I'm going grocery shopping on tomorrow. So I'm using these little grocery bags from Sweet Bean Plans. And I'll put that there to mark that in. Then I'm going to mark off my Instagram videos for Tuesday and Thursday. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these are from my shop. Now I'm gonna mark off these little design stickers. It's like a little printer. And that's for me printing stickers, and I do designs on Wednesday and Friday. Mark off church on Sunday. Okay, this is the spread. I am done and I love how it came out. I have left myself some room to write in, but I pretty much know what's going on this week. I have a couple of meetings, so anytime I have a place to go, I usually put a box. These are for my Instagram videos. I usually clean the house on Saturdays, and I have a hair appointment for me and my girls on Saturday, also grocery shopping on Monday, and I have added in bill stickers to remind me of the days that I have to pay bills. So, and I'm also going to put it on the half sheet too. So this is pretty much the spread. If you want to see how it comes out completely after I write everything in, then you can definitely head over to my Instagram. It's at Organized Alaina. I will post pictures there, and I'll also post them on my sticker page, which is at the Sticker Stylist. If you just want to see the planner pictures, then make sure you follow at the Sticker Stylist, because that's where all of my planners pictures are. Okay guys, well, I hope you have loved this plan with me. If you like it, I hope you would consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.